I come out from underneath my tarps and stuff, and there's a dead bird, like less than 5 feet away from where I sleep at. Like roadkill, allegedly like roadkill, but it's right there by my spot. I'm like, these witches ain't slick. They moving down at the end of the street, and then they got one like right here by me. I told some big old dude, I was like, you got some cojones, right? Like in Spanish says the huevos, the balls. Like you got the I was like, you don't got a weak stomach, right? And he was like, nah. So I asked him to help me because I was gonna throw out some trash anyways this AM. So I just had asked him if he would help me pick it up and throw it and put it in a plastic bag, and then we're gonna throw it away. So that's exactly what we did. So I got that or whatever. I got that picked up this AM or whatever. I don't know if the other one is still at the corner or whatever, but ay 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 ay. So, anyways, if it was witchcraft, it's thrown in the trash, and we returning all that nonsense back to cinder, backfire. Uh, yeah, 1,000-fold karma with full forgiveness from my heart, and 1,000-fold karma coming your way, right back at you. Okay, so they can miss me with that, all that spell work, voodoo, and witchcraft, and bitchcraft, and any of that nonsense. Yeah. Yep. Or if it was supposed to be a subliminal mind control, whatever. Yeah. You know what? But what's crazy is I kind of was feeling like some type of way, you know, for a little while. Hi. All right, just recording the video. So yeah, it's odd that there would be one at the corner, and then a few days later there's like one right all up on where I sleep. So either way, that's unsanitary anyway. So obviously that has to. I'm not gonna let like maggots forming and birds and all kind of decomposing stuff going on right there by where I sleep like that. That's unsanitary. So it had to come up anyways. But um it's picked up. Ain't nothing left, but I'm gonna have to hit it with some ammonia. Yeah, and the broom. Yeah, and it's crazy because I actually had gotten some brooms, and I was like, I didn't need all the bottoms or whatever because I was gonna use the poles like as stabilizers for the tarps to like have them like held up or whatever to make it more structural. And so, anyways, I had all these bottoms of the brooms, and I was like, oh, what am I going to need all that for? Anyways, that's what I'm going to need it for. I'm going to take some ammonia and scrub that bird carcass the rest of the way from the street, because that's just disgusting. You got to clean up roadkill sometimes. But it is what it is. But it just seems a little odd to be roadkill at the end of the block, like, 20, 30 feet away, and then right all up on me. Like, that's a little coinkydink. I don't believe in coincidence. So, anyways, yeah, I had to get that up. And so, yeah, I'm going to clean it the rest of the way up, and then it's going to be done. But I just wanted to say, like, hold on. With all that other weird stuff, that be going on. I just wanted to, point that out. Like, that just happened this AM. Like, upon me rising, dead birds right there, like, by my stuff. You know? Eh. Ain't nobody tripping. Ain't nobody tripping. Clean it up. Cochinas. Clean it up. And we moving on. Okay? And we moving on. Y'all can miss me with whatever you was trying to do with it. Because we know you was up to something. Whatever you was up to, the shit is in the trash. So if you want your bird back, it's in the trash. It's in the big dumpster. Okay. All right. But either way, my ancestors and my spirit team, they coming for you. So good luck with that. For even trying me. Now to everyone else, we sending love and light and peace and bliss and zen. So to all those that, as they say, wish me well, I'm wishing all of that peace and bliss, and to, all them haters and naysayers and known and unknown enemies in the light and in the dark, regardless, yeah, we sending all that back to sender. We are sending all that back. All whatever you trying to send to me in negativity and ill will and whatever, nah. We sending all that back. All of it. All of it. All of it. All of it. I'm like a duck in water. Okay? That never gets wet. You ain't penetrating my feathers, baby. You ain't penetrating my feathers. I'm going to let it roll right off my back, just like that water rolls off a duck. Letting it roll right off my back. Okay? Okay. Peace.